Hey, YouTube, it's Determined Donnie. Today we're talking about keeping your car running like new. We'll cover essential car maintenance tips to avoid hefty repair bills. So buckle up, grab a wrench, and let's get this show on the road. First things first, folks. Let's talk about oil changes. It's one of the simplest yet most crucial maintenance tasks you can do for your vehicle. Oil is like the lifeblood of your car's engine. Without it, your engine would seize up faster than you can say breakdown. It keeps all those metal parts moving and grooving without grinding each other to pieces. Think of it as the unsung hero, working behind the scenes to keep everything running smoothly. Change your oil every 3,000 to 5,000 miles, depending on your car and the type of oil you're using. Some newer models and synthetic oils can even stretch that interval a bit longer. A good quality conventional oil and a decent filter will do the trick for most cars. But if you want to go the extra mile, consider synthetic oil for better performance and longevity. And hey, if you're feeling ambitious, you can even learn to change the oil yourself. It's a great way to save some money and get to know your car better. Just be sure to dispose of that used oil properly. Take it to a recycling center or an auto shop that accepts used oil. It's not just about keeping your car in top shape, it's about protecting the environment too. Let's talk about those pesky warning lights on your dashboard. Ignoring those lights is like ignoring a cry for help from your car. They're trying to tell you something's wrong. Check your owner's manual for the light's meaning, and if you're still unsure, take it to a trusted mechanic. Let's talk about tires. Keeping those tires properly inflated can save you money at the pump and prevent accidents. Underinflated tires create more roll-in resistance, burn in more gas, and increasing the risk of a blowout. Check your tire pressure at least once a month and inspect for any cuts, bulges, or uneven wear. Scheduled maintenance appointments ain't just some big conspiracy by the car manufacturers to squeeze more money out of you. They're designed to catch potential problems early on before they turn into major headaches. Let's talk about fuel. Using a quality gasoline from a reputable brand can actually save you money in the long run. Cheap gas is often full of impurities and additives that can gunk up your engine and reduce your fuel efficiency. Don't overload your car. Every car has a maximum weight capacity, and exceeding that capacity can put a serious strain on your engine, transmission, suspension, and tires. It can also affect your car's handling and increase your stopping distance, which ain't safe. Let's talk about those essential fluids that keep your car running smoothly and efficiently. We're talking about coolant, brake fluid, transmission fluid, power steering fluid, and even windshield washer fluid. Each one plays a crucial role in your vehicle's performance and safety. Check your fluid levels regularly, at least once a month. It's a simple task that can prevent major issues. It only takes a few minutes and can save you a whole lot of trouble down the road. Regular maintenance ensures your car stays in top shape and keeps you safe on your journeys. Aggressive driving ain't just dangerous, it's murder on your car. Every time you slam on the brakes, accelerate rapidly, or take a corner at high speed, you're putting unnecessary stress on your car. It's like running a marathon every time you get behind the wheel. A clean car is a happy car. Regular washing and waxing ain't just about keeping your car looking shiny and new. It's about protecting your investment. Dirt, grime, and bird droppings can damage your car's paint over time, leading to rust. Let's talk about that little box of energy that brings your car to life. The battery. A little bit of battery care can go a long way in preventing those frustrating situations. Keep your battery clean. Corrosion can interfere with the electrical connection and cause your battery to drain faster. Well, folks, there you have it. We've covered a lot of ground today. 10 essential do's and don'ts to help you extend the life of your car and save you money. From regular oil changes to checking your tire pressure, these tips are designed to keep your vehicle running smoothly. Remember, your car is an investment, so it pays to take care of it. Regular maintenance not only ensures safety, but also enhances the performance and longevity of your vehicle. If you follow these tips, your car will be thanking you for it. A well-maintained car is less likely to break down and will serve you faithfully for years to come. If you have any questions, drop a comment down below. I'm always here to help and provide more insights on car maintenance. I read as many as I can and try to get back to you folks. Your feedback is invaluable and helps me create better content for you. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more car maintenance advice. Your support keeps this channel going and allows me to bring you more useful tips and tricks. Drive safe and see you in the next video. Until then, keep on trucking and take good care of your ride.